We firmly believe that after the Qur'an there will be no other divine book. So what is this new book that some ahadiths indicate? When we examine the context of these hadiths, it becomes clear what's meant by the new book. One tafsir, one explanation is that at the time of the Mahdi, people will have changed the meanings of the Qur'an so much. They've corrupted the tafsir of the Qur'an so much, such that when the Mahdi restores the actual tafsir of the Qur'an as God revealed it, people will feel like it's a new book. What is this? This is new. What are you talking about? Who said this? Yes, this will happen. We've seen how throughout history people tamper with the meanings of the Qur'an. Especially today, it's getting accelerated. Today there's an influx, a flood of people who consider themselves intellectuals online on YouTube channels, and they have millions of views. They sit there and they try to implement theories on the Qur'an. And every day they give you a new meaning. Some of it, if it's based on correct tafsir, may be legitimate. A lot of it, it's just people inserting their opinion. Well, imagine 10 years from now, 100 years from now, the new generations, they're going to be raised having an understanding of the Qur'an that's way different than what the Prophet taught. So when the Mahdi will come and he will examine the Qur'an as it was revealed, its correct tafsir, people will think it's a new book. So it's not technically a new book that he brings. It's the same Qur'an, but he will restore the original meaning of the Qur'an. There are hadiths about that. يَعْطِفُ الرَّأْيَ عَلَى الْقُرْآنِ كَمَا عَطَفُ الْقُرْآنَ عَلى الرَّأْيِ. People, they take the Qur'an and they make it conform to their opinions. The Mahdi will do the other way. He will take the opinions of people and conform it to be compatible with the Qur'an, not the other.